Hi, I'm in Hoboken, New Jersey, across the river, across the Hudson River from New York City. That's New York City over there. We got a lot of seagulls here today, and it's like cold out here today. It's like 35 degrees out. I don't know how these seagulls manage to stay warm when it's so cold out, but they look like they're doing all right. Anyway, the question I'm asking today is, I got some Goldenberg's peanut chews here, original dark peanut chews. And I'm wondering, do seagulls like chocolate peanut chews? So I'm going to take one of these peanut chews. I got a peanut chew here. I got a Goldenberg original dark peanut chew here. And I'm going to see if the seagulls like peanut chews. I'm just going to toss it on the ground here. See? Oh, he took it. He took it. He took it. And he's flying around. There he is right there. He's coming back and he's landing. There he is right there. He's still got the Goldenberg's peanut chew in his mouth. He's flying around. I don't know. I think the name of this video is Do Seagulls Like to Fly Around with Peanut Chews in Their Mouth? Looks like he swallowed it. I can see him like over there. There he is over there. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh, he's still got it in his he's still got it in his mouth. He's flying around. He's flying around with a Goldenberg's peanut chew in his mouth. He's still got it. He hasn't dropped it yet. He's still got it. There he is right there. He's got the Goldenberg peanut chew in his mouth. He's flying all over the place with it. I think he's going to save it for later. Oh, he just landed way over there. Let's see. I can see him way over there. Yeah, he just ate it. He ate the peanut chew. He flew around with it. He liked to fly around with it for a while, and then he ate it. So anyway, the answer is yes. Seagulls love Goldenberg's original dark peanut chews. Thanks for watching. Live from Hoboken, New Jersey with the Seagulls. Bye. Hoboken Seagulls.